ko sa inyo ay isa sa mga topics na pang grade 5. Ito ay GCF and LCM and problem solving. Pag sinabi nating GCF, ito yung tinatawag nating greatest common factor. Pag sinabi naman nating LCM, ito yung tinatawag nating least common multiple. So, paano ba kumuha ng GCF? So, ang gagamitin natin ay continuous division method. Let us have example. What is the GCF of 18 and 27? So, isusulat natin siya in two horizontal form. So, the given numbers are 18 and 27. Then, 18 and 27 have common factor, which is 3. And ito rin yung tinatawag nating common divisor. So, kung mapapansin mo, ang pinili kong number ay 3, which is meron pa namang ibang number na mas mataas. I-consider natin sa paggamit ng common factor ay yung tinatawag nating common divisor, yung mga prime number. Kaya 3. So, i-divide natin ngayon si 18 and 27 by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Then, 27 divided by 3 is 9. So, isinulat natin siya in the next row. Okay, we have 6 and 9. So, looking at the number 6 and 9, they have common factor, which is 3 also. So, let us repeat the process. I-divide natin si 6 and 9 by 3. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, as what you have observed, the two numbers in the third row, we have 2 and 3. Wherein, 2 and 3 have no common factor or no common divisor. So, we are going to stop dividing here. So, the two numbers here, 3 and 3, the two common divisor, ito i-consider natin sa pagkuha ng GCF. So, we have to get the product of these two for our GCF. That's why the product, 3 times 3 is 9. Therefore, our GCF is 9. Now, let me show you how to check if the answer is really correct. Okay. So, to do the checking, if 9 is really the GCF of 18 and 27, we are going to list all the factors of 18 and all the factors of 27. The factors of 18, we have here 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. And the factors of 27, we have 1, 3, 9, and 27. So as what you can see, the greatest common factor in the listed numbers here is 9. Ayan, naka-red. Ibig sabihin, our answer in the continuous division method, wherein the GCF is 9, is really correct. Now, let's have the second example. Okay, for the second example, what is the GCF of 24 and 32? Okay, sulat uli natin ng horizontal form. The given numbers are 24 and 32. And then, common divisor, which is a prime number, for 24 and 32 is 2. Divide natin. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 32 divided by 2 is 16. So, we have here 12 and 16. Wherein, 12 and 16 have common factor or common divisor, which is, again, 2. Now, let us divide 12 divided by 2 is 6. 16 divided by 2 is 8. In the third row, we have 6 and 8. And still, 6 and 8 have common factor, which is 2. So again, let us divide. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then 8 divided by 2 is 4. So in the fourth row, we have 3 and 4. They have no common factor. That's why we're going to stop the division here. And in the left side, we have the 3 numbers which are the common factors will be the GCF if you're going to get again the product of these 3. So the GCF is 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. Now the GCF of 24 and 32 is 8. Okay, let's see the checking. The GCF of 24 and 32, again, we are going to list all the factors of 24 and list all the factors of 32. So what are the factors of 24? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. And all factors of 32, we have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. Okay. The greatest common factor of 24 and 32 is the number 8. This one. Meaning our answer is correct. Now, let us have example on how to solve problem using GCF. So here is our problem. There are 24 girls and 30 boys in a class. The teacher wants to arrange the seats in equal rows with the same number of boys and girls. What is the largest of rows for this arrangement? Okay. What is us in the problem? The largest of rows for this arrangement. Now, what are the given facts? There are 24 girls, 30 boys. Then we are going to plan. In our planning, so it is the method that we are going to use or what we are going to apply in order to solve the problem. And that is by using the GCF through continuous division. Now let us show the solution on how you are going to solve this problem. Yan. So we are going to apply GCF for this. We need to find the GCF of 24 and 30. So we have 24 and 30, and 24 and 30 have common factor, which is 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Then 12 and 15 have common factor, which is 3. So dividing it again, 12 divided by 3 is 4. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 4 and 5 have no common factors, so we're going to stop here. And our GCF are these two common factor on the left side, 2 and 3. Therefore, the product is a product of 2 and 3, and the greatest common factor is 6. So the answer to the problem, therefore, the largest of rows for the arrangement is 6. Okay? Now, let us proceed to LCM. Again, using continuous division. An example for this is, what is the LCM of 36 and 40? So using the same procedure, continuous division, writing the two given numbers in horizontal form. So we have 36 and 40. And these two numbers are both divisible by 2. So let us divide again. 36 divided by 2 is 18. 40 divided by 2 is 20. So 18 and 20 still have common factor, which is 2. Divide again. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So let us stop here since 9 and 10 have no common factor. Now, we are going to consider the two numbers on the left side here and the bottom row 9 and 10 in finding the LCM. So that's the difference between the GCF and LCM using continuous division. So here, Numbers on the left, common factors, and bottom row you are going to consider. Therefore, our LCM will be the product of 2 times 2 times 9 times 10, and the product of these four numbers is equal to 360. And this is our LCM. Now, how to do the checking if 360 is really the LCM of 36 and 40? So, let me show you. Okay. This time, since this is least common multiple, we are going to list all the multiples of 36 and 40. Similar to skip counting by 36. So, the multiples of 36 are the following: 36, 72, 108, 104, 144, 180, 216, 252, 288, 324, 360, 396, and so on. Can list more. And for 40, so we have 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, 240, 280, 320, 360, and 400. And you can list more. Now, with the listed multiples of 36 and 40, as you observe, the red one here, 360. So, this is the least multiple common to 36 and 40. That's why our answer, LCM 360, is correct. Okay, you want more? Let's have another one. Okay, what is the LCM of 10 and 15? So, listing it or writing it in horizontal form. So, we have 10 and 15. 10 and 15 have common factor, and this is 5. Okay, divide. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So, we're going to stop here since 2 and 3 have no common factor. Therefore, numbers to the left, the common factors, and numbers at the bottom part, let us multiply 5 times 2 times 3, which is equal to 30. This is our least common multiple. Okay. Checking. Listing all the multiples of 10 and 15. So, multiples of 10, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. And then, multiples of 15, we have 15, 30, 45, 60, and so on and so forth. So, here, the least number in the set of multiples of 15 and 10 is the number 30. So, ito na. Kaya, nag-stop na ako dito sa 40 and 45 kasi nakita na ako ng common. Okay. Next one. What about the least common multiple of 16 and 27? So, as what you can see, 16 and 27 have no common factor. We cannot divide these two numbers by 2. We cannot divide these two numbers by 3, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth. So, no common factor, no common divisor for 16 and 27. So, if that's the case, the given numbers have no common factor, no common divisor, our LCM will be the product of the two numbers. That's why the LCM for 16 and 27 is 432. So, imumultiply lang natin kapag wala silang common divisor or common factor. Okay? Checking. So, medyo marami ang ating ililista dito. Multiples of 16 and multiples of 27. So, skip counting tayo, listing all the multiples. So, we have 16, 32, 48, 64, 18, 96, 112, 128, 144, 160, 176, 192, 202, 224, 240, 256. We have 272, 288, 304, 320, 336, 352, 368, 384, 400, 416, 432, 448. You can list more if you want, but let's stop here. Okay, we have 27. So, We have the multiples of 27 are 27, 54, 81, 108, 135, 162, 189. We have 216, 243, 270, 297, 324, 351, 378, 405, 432, 459, and so on. So, I'll stop here because nakita ko na yung kanilang common multiple, which is 432. So, our answer is 432, really correct. Now, let's proceed to problem. Kim works every 4 days and Susan works every 5 days. If they start working on Monday, when will they work together again? And what is us? When will they work together again? What are the given facts? So, Kim works 4 days, every 4 days. Susan works every 5 days. They start working on Monday. Then, in this kind of problem, for our planning, we are going to solve this by using LCM. Okay, strategy, we are going to use the continuous division. So, we have to find the LCM of 4 and 5. So, as what I have said earlier, when the two numbers have no common factor, because the given numbers here are 4 and 5, Kim works every 4 days, Susan works every 5 days. So, there is no common factor between 4 and 5. That's why the product of these two will determine our LCM. So, we have 4 times 5 is equal to 20. Since there is no common divisor for 4 and 5. So, what does it mean? If our LCM is 20, it means that they work together again after 20 days. So, when is that after 20 days? As stated in the problem, if they start working on Monday, so for Monday, we're going to count 20 days. So, I have here the calendar. If they work or they will work on Monday, so we have September 7, Monday, we are going to count 20 days from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, Sunday will be the next day that they will work together again. And this is after 20 days from Monday. If that Monday is September 7, Monday, so the next moment or day that they will work together again is Sunday, and that is September 27. So I hope you understand my discussion, my examples, my explanation. Thank you for watching and listening, and that's all.